everyone, welcome. Today we will learn how to activate Windows 10 without using any software. Just following two simple steps we'll be able to activate Windows 10. First you have to copy the whole code which is in the description of this video. Then after copying that code you need to go to your desktop and then right click with your mouse and then click new text document. Then you can name this anything as ACT or whatever you like. Then after dot you need to change this extension to BAT. That's the bash file. It will ask for your permission to change this extension. Click on yes. After that you need to click on this again, and that's right click and then edit. Now you need to paste that code here. That's it, and then click on file and save. Close this down. After that right click on this and then run as administrator. It will ask for your permission. Click on yes. Then it will take some time and connect to the servers and your Windows will be activated. It's connecting. You need to have an active internet connection. It's connected to one server that's failed. Then it will try to connect to another KMS server. Now you can see here the product activated successfully. Now click on, or you can press on the keyboard N. That's it, your Windows is activated. Here you won't be seeing that annoying thing. Now you can check from your PC. Right click, then click on properties. Now you can see here Windows is activated. This is the Windows 10 Pro. You can have any version. It will be activated. And close this down and enjoy. I hope you like this video. Thanks. Bye bye. Have a nice time.